bet if we put that other one on the end of that one, we should be able to bash it.
Build up to it.
Build up to it. Does it make? Oh right, there's different textures and things.
Yeah.
Is that a nice soft fluffy one? Is that a nice soft fluffy one? Is it? Does that feel nice? Is it soft? Is it soft and fluffy? Is it nice? Yes. Soft, fluffy. Of course, you didn't give it a bash. I just realised